In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Waxp future while examining Wax cost figure for 2023 and past in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly remember that you ought to basically believe this and any kind of other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Wax, or so they most certainly thought. Presently, we should head into it, in spite of prevalent thinking. Before we dive sort of profound into the Wax value expectation and answer questions in the event that Waxp is a very wise venture or not. For what reason will Waxp succeed or essentially fizzle, or for what reason will Wax value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in every practical sense, toss a look at what is Waxp and its to-date history in an unobtrusive manner. Waxp value expectation for the sort of next 10 days in an unobtrusive manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a fundamentally complete breakdown, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin truly has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will explicitly be essentially more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into, in every way that really matters, more steady business sectors, or so they thought. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous in a real sense play, and consequently the offer off, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This really is by and large reflected in our 2023 expectations, which basically is very critical. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in every practical sense begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many sort of times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model in every practical sense is negative for the very next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which explicitly is genuinely huge. We sort of expect whales and really other greater players in the market to essentially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we sort of assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative sort of potential, and some kind of other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which in every practical sense is very critical. 2023 0211 0.71% $0 0729 2023 02 12 plus 0.90% $0 0741 2023 02 13 plus 3.32% $0 0759 2023 02 14 plus 6.94% $0 0785 2023 02 15 plus 6.93% $0 0785 2023 02 16 plus 0.26% $0 0736 2023 02 17 plus 3.24% $0 0758 2023 02 18 plus 2.23% $0 0751 2023 02 19 plus 6.02% $0 0779 2023 02 20 plus 5.53% $0 0775 2023 02 212.93% 7 cents WX value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance most certainly considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in a for the most part enormous manner. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls incredibly. We will most likely sort of see a ton of exceptionally exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with each kind of minor market quake, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Underneath by and large is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 15.72% $0 0619 2023 APRA 32.32% $0 $0.0497. 2023 May 24.24% $0, 0556. 2023 June 20.67% $0, 0583. 2023 Jul 13.84% $0, 0633. 2023 Og 4.25% $0, 0703. 2023 Sep 3.48% $0, 0709. 2023 Oct plus 2.51% $0, 0753. 2023 Nov plus 11.06% $0, 0816. 2023 Dec plus 11.81% $0, 0821. 2024 Jan plus 19.94% $0, 0881. 2024 Feb plus 26.00% 9 cents. WX value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees Wax coming to 14 cents in 2025. What will Wax sort of be certainly worth in 5 years, or so they for the most part thought. The cost of Wax in 5 years could by and large lie around 14 cents amazingly. Waxp value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Wax will be worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Our estimating model sees Wax coming to 35 cents in 2030. What Wax will be worth in 2040, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our estimating model sees Wax coming to 70 cents in 2040. Will Wax truly substitute, generally outperform, truly surpass Bitcoin? No, Wax won't supplant or basically surpass BTC, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Is Wax especially worth purchasing, in opposition to prevalent thinking? We are backers of reasonably hazardous money management. In a real sense, put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of genuinely large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain, which is genuinely critical. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Wax is especially worth purchasing in an unobtrusive manner. Is Wax a truly wise speculation, or so they thought? Wax is, very much like all fundamentally other cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous interest in an especially significant way. It does truly have higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the sort of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How especially will Wax fundamentally be essentially worth in a significant manner? For the sort of transient future, it could generally reach 4 cents, which is genuinely critical. In the long haul, it could leap to 35 cents or significantly higher, or so they fundamentally thought. For what reason will Wax succeed and especially get more expensive? Wax for the most part has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it in a fundamentally enormous manner. These generally are an essential for progress. And that really is the reason our expectation model sees Wax ascending to 35 cents in 2030, which is very huge. For what reason will Wax basically fall flat and drop in value, which is very huge? Crypto projects truly fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing